Today, I will review the book on Einstein by Ronald W. Clark. I have a little patience with scientists who take a board of wood, look for its thinnest part, and drill a great number of holes where drilling is easy. Albert Einstein was far more than the physicist who confidently claimed that space and time were not what they seemed to be. Einstein was German by nationality, Jewish by origin. Einstein's obsession with exploring and understanding the physical world caught him early. Many stories were to arise or to be invented of the absent-minded Professor Einstein. But here, on his wedding day, Einstein did find on arriving back home that he had forgotten the key. Here is another story. When Einstein's father asked his son's headmaster what profession his son should adopt, the answer was simple. It does not matter. Einstein will never make a success of anything. Einstein, at the end of his life, said, I have no particular talent. I am extremely inquisitive. Einstein had no interest in learning a new language, nor in food, nor in new clothes. I am not much with people, he continued, and I am not a family man. I want my peace. I want to know how God created this world. I am not interested in this or that phenomena, in this spectrum of this or that element. I want to know God's thoughts. The rest are detail. Another place, Einstein replied, there may be something in what you say. When I examine myself and my methods of thought, I come to the conclusion that the gift of fantasy has meant more to me than my talent for absorbing positive knowledge.